Hey guys, Gunwild here, and welcome to update number 9 on the Viewer's Choice AR-15 build. In the last update, I asked for your opinion on a muzzle device, and I gave you a few choices to choose from, and I tallied up all the votes, and the winner was the Strike Industries Fat Comp 2. Very nice choice. I love it the way it looks on this thing. What do you guys think? I think it looks badass. Hey, I believe I said in the last update that in this update I was going to ask about backup sights. Well, I had a set of Magpul PTS backup sights here just laying around, wasn't being used, so I just threw those on there real quick. This update is actually going to be about an optic. Now I know what optic I want. I'm going to go with the Lucid HD7 Gen 3, which looks like this. My question for you guys is, should I go with the black optic or the flat dark earth to match the furniture? It's as simple as that. Should I go black or flat dark earth, guys? I'm just completely happy with the way this rifle has turned out. You guys have done a great job on it. I did take it out to the range and to put its first couple of rounds through it, and it was a big failure. But I will do a separate video on that and let you guys know what happened and what was wrong, and it works fine now though. It's been fixed. So you guys, you just leave a comment, black or flat dark earth, on that Lucid HD7 optic, and the next video I will show you what you guys chose, or what the highest voted one was. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Goodbye.